Details of Intel's Barlow Bridge Thunderbolt 5 controller leaks. Serial leaker at Yoki_ins on X, Twitter has released details on Intel's upcoming Barlow Bridge Thunderbolt 5 controller, which will be known as the JHL9580 or JHL9540 depending on the SKU. The good news is that Intel has finally moved to PCIe 4.0 for the bus interface, which was expected due to the increased bandwidth on offer by Thunderbolt 5 over Thunderbolt 3 and 4. Barlow Bridge will use a PCIe 4.0 x4 interface to connect to the host, and it appears that the earlier leak that suggested native Thunderbolt support in Arrow Lake S was incorrect, as there are diagrams showing Barlow Bridge connected to Arrow Lake S CPUs. Besides the faster bus, Thunderbolt 5 brings asymmetrical data transmission support, which means that for display applications there will be a 120/40 Gbps mode, whereas for data-only applications Thunderbolt 5 will deliver a symmetrical 80 Gbps mode. We should point out that this only appears to apply to the JHL9580 SKU, which also supports 40 Gbps USP4 speeds, whereas the JHL9540 for some reason remains a Thunderbolt 4 controller. That said, both of the Barlow Bridge SKUs get support for 20 Gbps USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, something that was lacking in previous Thunderbolt implementations. There will also be support for DisplayPort 2.1 via DP Alt mode with full UBR20 support when used with a DP80 certified cable. Actual data transfers are limited to the 64 Gbps PCIe 4.0 interface to the host system, just like USP4, but this does at least give Thunderbolt 5 extra headroom for display data even in symmetrical mode. The Barlow Bridge controllers appear to be connected directly to the Arrow Lake S CPUs via the PCIe 4.0 x4 interface, much in the same way USP4 host controllers connect to AMD's Ryzen 7000 series CPUs.